Let me show you a simple example here. Many of us do this kind of thing on a day-to-day basis. So I'll start with, let's say, OpenCode, right? And ask it to create, let's say, a maze, a solvable 12 by 12 maze. And I give it that short prompt. And OpenCode will create the maze in a few seconds. And first result is, of course, a text file. And you can see the layout on the screen. It does look like it's solvable. So it's created, but it still is only just a text representation. And now I would switch to another tool, let's say Claude Code, and I ask it to turn the maze into a playable game. So all I have to say is just make this game playable, and Claude Code will take over directly from there. It will read the same project folder and build from what's already there. And you can see it's now finished, right? So the maze has moved from a text file into a game without rebuilding the project from scratch. So now the game's playable. Next, I want to use Codex, right, to turn this 2D maze game into a 3D maze game. So Codex now takes over, and the same project, right, starts coding from the playable version, and now, yeah, the game's ready, and it is immediately playable in 3D as if I'm walking the maze, right? So that's pretty amazing. And importantly, it uses the same maze layout as you can see, and we have moved from a text to a 2D and now to a 3D game across three different coding tools, coding agents. So what's my point? So what I'm trying to show is that I entered only three very simple prompts, and each of them is only a few words. So I didn't actually explain where the project is, where the code is, what's being done already, and where's the handoff. Because behind the scenes, so these different coding tools are actually sharing the same knowledge base. So if you look at Codex here, it actually is reading and it writes back to the knowledge base. So the entries, they describe the project, the memory scope, the domain, and they are searchable by all of these different tools, Codex, Claude Code, and OpenCode. And the knowledge base also keeps the session details and logs. So instead of having to explain the work again, so each agent can discover what has already happened and understand the current state and continue directly from there. Same thing for within the same agent. If I just start a new session, I don't have to start explaining, oh, I created this project and I need to do this. Now, you don't have to do that. You just say, continue that maze game and it will find it and we'll start working on it, right? So that makes it really easy for all of the agentic tools to just work together and share the same context. You will experience this in the lab. Of course, a little skimmed down version because a few hundred people doing it at the same time, we're going to break the bank, but you'll see and experience the same concept in the lab.